Hello and thank you for joining us. Today we are talking about the end times. We are talking about Bible prophecy, specifically the abomination of desolation and how the framework of it is set in the Bible so that if you are on the earth when this event happens, you will recognize it because the framework is laid out in the Bible. So let's look at Matthew 24. It says, "When ye therefore shall see the abomination of desolation spoken of by Daniel the prophet, stand in the holy place. Whoso readeth, let him understand." And we said the word desolation. The Hebrew word desolation, H7722, is show, SHOW. This is the Hebrew word desolation. And the abominations of desolation is the abomination of show. Shows are desolations. So not every show out there is bad, but we know that people decide what to do based on these shows, decide what to buy based on these shows, decide what music to like, to purchase, decide who to elect, decide what weather is coming, what to be prepared. People look at these and they have pushed them up. They have exalted them higher than God. They trust on the images of the television and the devices much more than they trust in God anymore. It is the abomination. It is the abomination of desolation, the shows. And the images are very important for the end times. In Revelations, it tells us that the image of the beast will be worshipped. The image of the beast speaks. The image of the beast causes all those who will not worship the image to be killed. And the image of the beast is important, and we have images all around us today. So this is, just like it said, spoken of by Daniel the prophet. And we see in Daniel 7:6 the framework for the audiovisual media. It says it has upon the back of it 4 wings of a fowl. In earlier videos, we talked about how there are 4 methods of transmission through the air for the data. These are the wings. These are the wings of a fowl, 4 of them. It is either over the air, cable, satellite, or internet. There are 4 methods of transportation. And the beast had 4 heads, as we see there, NBC, CBS, Fox, ABC, the 4 heads of the beast. And when we looked at the word wing in an earlier video, that word wing, Gaf, H1611, is numbered. As we said, the writing on the wall is, thy kingdom is numbered. And that is numbered with G1611, which is astonishment, amazement, trance, which is what the nations, which is what the generations have been put into through the idols. The images flickering on the screen have put generations in a trance. As you know this, as you walk past people and they're just staring at their devices, not even watching where they're going. You try to get their attention, it takes 2 or 3 times for them to even hear you because they are in a trance caused by the data, the images, the audio visual, caused by as a result of what's coming through the wings of the fowl. And that is what's all around us. And we see that in Daniel 9:27 as well. We saw this in an earlier video, how the wing, the overspreading of abominations, he shall make desolate. This is the verse, again, adding to the idea of the abomination of desolation. The overspreading, the wing, and for the wing of abominations. The same idea, the same concept. And this kingdom is numbered. As we see this verse, this word, H3671, is numbered with G3671. That word is profession, confession. And what does the Antichrist do? This is just another indicator that the wing, the overspreading of abominations, the wing on which he transmits his image, transmits the data, transmits his voice, transmits all the stuff that the image of the beast carries with it. And what is he doing with it? Well, one thing is he makes a confession. He makes a profession. He makes a confession in the temple of God. The Antichrist professes to be God, who opposeth and exalteth himself above all that is called God or that is worshipped, so that he as God sitteth in the temple of God, showing himself that he is God. This is what we're looking. Well, this is what's coming. This is what we should be on the lookout for. If you're on the earth at that time, you should know that this is what's going to happen. It is decreed in the Bible that he will go into the temple of God and claim to be God. He will confess, profess that he is God. And we see the confirmation by the words that are numbered with the writing on the wall all around us. And we see this now because we are approaching those days quickly. What comes upon this place comes quickly. And what they have done, they have built a vine, they have heaped up treasure together for the last days. And we can see this. So we should know what's coming. We should know what to expect if you're on the earth at that time. The Word of God has left you a framework so that you may recognize and know the times are short. And we thank you for that. We thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this video, this channel, and see all my other information and videos on my channels on my website, signoffire.com or yeshuaiscoming.com. So thank you very much. Until next time, God bless.